How to clean your plate heat exchanger manually. The first step in maintaining the heat exchanger is to disassemble the plate heat exchanger, which requires mechanics. To shut off all fluids entering and leaving the heat exchanger. To be able to remove fluid from the heat exchanger, you need to release all pressure by opening the valve. After removing the bolts, slide each removable head back to expose the hot plate pack. To facilitate reinstallation, all boards need to be numbered in reverse order, and the number needs to be displayed on the top of each board. Clean the heat exchanger plate. First, remove the gasket. The gasket can be reused or not based on its current condition. If you need to reuse the gasket, wash them with soap and water. Then hang them in a clean, dry area. If there is loose debris on the board, then it needs to be cleaned with soap, water, and a soft brush or pressure washer. Not a grinder or a hard brush. Clean the plate until all debris is removed. The groove of the gasket needs to be very careful, and in very severe cases hot acid and caustic need to be used to break down stubborn adhesives and buildup. Test the heat exchanger plate. It is critical to test and inspect your boards for cracks and pinholes throughout the facility. Visually inspect the heat exchanger for defects, paying close attention to where the plates touch each other. It's also a good idea to perform a die test to catch any pinholes missed by visual inspection. Inspection and reassembly. Before inspecting and preparing heat exchanger plates, the plate frame must be cleaned and prepared before reassembly. Start by inspecting the nozzle area, paying close attention to weld areas where corrosion and defects may occur. Check the straightness of the fixed head and movable head with a ruler. For painted and powder-coated carbon steel frames, the coating needs to be inspected to determine if it is in satisfactory condition. Check the connection points of the upper and lower rails. Polishing may interfere with serious defects in the sheet. After the above steps are complete, start reinstalling the plates. Install the plates directly into the frame and check that the gaskets are properly seated. Finally, install the port ring into the frame.